Hi everyone. Just a quick update. We were able to land Manila yesterday around 3:30, 4 p.m. I was with Coach Norma Black and Larry Fonasher during our flight from Iloilo. Medyo disorganized pa yung yung mind ko kasi parang mind-boggling pa rin yung sitwasyon from our flight from Dumaguete to Manila na PR 2544. In my previous post, nag-thank you po ako. Nag-thank you po ako sa Lord for giving us our second life. And I even said thank you to Captain Crespo for landing us safe, pati doon sa crew. Ang mind-boggling lang naman po sa amin is we took off sa runway without aircon, and I think it got us mga 20 minutes na talagang wala kaming nakukuha information until the captain made an announcement. So it's very traumatic, scary. All you can do in that moment is just really pray. Para nagpa-flashback lahat ng good and bad moments sa buhay mo. So, yun po yung feeling na parang sasabihin mo, this is it. Diba? Parang gano'n. So, Lord, ako na bahala sa pamilya ko, kaibigan ko, sa lahat. Diba? It's awakening. It's something masasabi mo na parang iba pala pagka nandun ka sa verge of a moment na you don't know what's gonna happen next. So sa mga nag-message sa akin, thank you for showing your concerns. Sobrang touching yun. And for the people na who's been saying a lot of negative things on my post, pasensya na po kayo, sorry, no? Kung nakapagsalita ako ng masama, nakapag-bad words ako. Hindi ko po sinisisi ang Philippine Airlines. Talaga lang po nagtatanong. Siguro yun, magtatanong po kayo. Hindi ko alam kung kayo yung nasa sitwasyon ko, how will you guys react. Pero, again, thank you kay Lord na we were able to survive. Kasi parang movie lang yan. Napanood ko sa movie na pag nag-drop yung oxygen mask, para what's gonna happen next, something that you don't know. So yun yung sitwasyon ko po. So again, sorry for my bad words, and for those people who's been saying a lot of negative stuff, I just wish you well. I just hope and pray na wala kayo doon sa tabi ko. Sana wala kayo doon sa tabi ko. And I thank God na wala kayo doon sa tabi ko, kasi baka yung mga reaction niya could have been more worse. So again, to Captain Crespo, good job on landing us safe. Pero I hope you can give a specific answer, even Philippine Airlines, on why did we take off with no aircon, and and we know already that parang before taking off meron ng multiple issues na na-encounter kayo. So yun lang yung ano namin na, and it was just a big risk for us. Alam ko may magko-complain pagka na-delay, pagka hindi natuloy. Pero siyempre at the end of the day, it's the accountability. It's your leadership. So yun yung pinaka-importante for us to get the right explanation, the right message. So again, thank you ulit kay Lord na we were safe. So maraming salamat po, and stay safe everyone.